But between like Coil and Mozilla, or between Coil and Brave, he's well on his way for monetization for his content. And then the Uphold with the Uphold wallet for the fucking YouTube boost, which doesn't make you barely anything, but I mean every bit helps, right? All in due time, right? Baby steps, every little penny all together, they all add up over time. I want to be able to measure Brave, but I've used it for 2 days and I'm not going back. Well, there you go. That was like me with Coil. I was like, bro, I need a couple weeks to evaluate this, but after 3 days of research and talking to a couple of the people and then reaching out to the support and talking to a couple of their support guys on their website, I was like sold. I was like, yeah, this is worth it. This looks worth it. I signed up. Before I even signed up, Coil Twitch bot dropped $3 in bits on my stream while I was offline just for hanging out at their page and looking at shit. I was like, oh, okay, so I paid my $5 membership and within 2 days, it had paid out $6 worth of bits in my stream back to me, and like $15 or $20 worth of fucking payouts in other streamers' streams where I was chilling and modding. In 2 days, my $5 membership landed me that. I was like, yeah, this is fucking one of the best things I've ever found on the internet. Like, hands down. Yeah, like, bro, like he was saying, he was joking at points like, yo, your Coil bot might be the one thing that keeps me streaming. I'll tell you this right now. Between me and Badger sitting in your streams, making you as much as that bot does, if you signed up for CoilBot on top of it, dude, holy fuck, you'd probably be raking in 50, 60, 70 bucks a month off CoilBot for your $5 membership. Like, you seriously consider that. Like, consider that. You want to make the money to keep streaming and become a full-time job? Coil is your next step, and that's what's gonna get you there, dude. And I can say that now, honestly, after being a member for just over a month, I can say that. I've put some wicked fucking reviews out there for it now. Like, I'm a witness to it. Like, so I will speak for it. Like, oh my god! I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Okay, so I'm gonna start that whole spiel over again because it's important. Welcome back. I broke my glasses. Fuck. Alright. So you say every day in your streams that you were trying to make this a full-time job so you can stream full-time. But in order to do that, it's gotta be profitable enough for you to continue doing it. So, in the last 3 weeks, how much money you think CoilBot has dropped in your stream? Golden? And that's just for me and Badger lurking in it. Right? Yeah. You wanna make that off your just being a member, you'll make that every week, streaming or not, roughly. Just cause the bottle stopped by and dropped bits off. Cause like me and Badger live in your streams when you stream. So that's where you're getting that. But if you spent that $5 a month to become a member yourself with the amount of content creation you do, you'd probably be looking at 50, 60, maybe more a month off of Coil. Payout revenue in bits to your stream for $5 a month. I'm telling you, bro, you want to make the income to stream full time, Coil is your next step, and it will get you there. I've seen it, like right now, Broncos are number 1, for instance. Like the Coil has dropped like $74 or $75 worth of bits off in his stream this month. There are a couple others. there are a couple other streamers out there that rotate with like the viewer storm, but are big Coil members, and they have like 2 or 3 accounts that they've signed up for, that like their mods signed up for, right? So every stream there's 3 or 4 dudes sitting in this stream with Coil memberships, and these guys are cashing out almost $100 a month on Coil Twitch payouts, man. Like, so like seriously, consider it. It's the reason I made a payout this month, that Twitch bot. It's the only reason that I came anywhere close to making a payout at the end of this month so far. It's generated me about, I don't know, well over $40 since I signed up for it this month, in the last couple weeks, in bit drops, right? Like, I don't know, I can't say anything bad about it. I haven't found anything bad about it. Anyways, man, I signed up to Coil on March 1st. I received $20, and I personally watched the bot send out over $40 to others I lurk in for my $5 membership, and the month is not up yet. Yeah, right? Zombie was saying, Zombie Stomp, the creator of Viewer Storm, was saying in their Discord, while he was talking to all of us in his Discord the other day, since he linked his site to Coil less than 2 months ago, it's generated the website itself nearly $200 in income. Like, I was like, that's not including his stream, his mod streams, other people that help, like, that have it, that mod for the site and are always on the site. Like, that fucking site making some good money partnering with Coil. That's a nice fat side income he's popping off at his website. All because of Coil. Like, you're trying to get monetized on TikTok, bro, you're never gonna make money on TikTok. You could be one of the biggest TikTokers in the world now, and unless you get that verified blue check mark, they're still not even gonna think twice about verifying you, and trying to get that check mark's next to impossible. I know.